How y'all doing today? Hope you're having a good day so far. We got a little rain yesterday and sun's coming back out, so it looks like it's gonna be a nice day today. And I've been watching these greens. They getting pretty good size, so I think I ought to pick a few of the bigger leaves and maybe it'll be enough to make a mess. So I'm gonna get started and pick a few of them. We'll see how much I can get. Maybe I can get about a bag full of them. You just want to, when you're picking these greens, if you ain't never fooled with them before, these big leaves, you know, any leaf, pretty good size, 6, 8, 10 inch, about an 8, 7, 8 inch leaf. You know, you can tell what's good eating size, and just don't pick the middle part and they'll just keep growing right on out. All right, y'all, I got me a pretty good sized bag here. Joker's packed, so I'm gonna take these things in there and wash them up, cook them on down. I'm gonna cut up what I can and put in this pot and cook that down, and I'll cut up some more and put in there. All right, y'all, I got a pretty good mess of them in this boiler here, so I'm getting that started. I just filled it up, put water up over the top of it, and get that boiling and just let it boil the crap out of it. Now what I'm gonna put in there, I seen Nikki had some grease in him from cooking some wild hog meat sausage this morning, so that'll work pretty good. I'm gonna dump that right on in there. And we had some pork shank, a little piece of this pork shank in there with it. That'll give it a good taste. All right, folks, I'm gonna cut an onion up and put over in there. That'll probably taste pretty good. Can't hardly go wrong with a little bit of onion. I put it in just about everything. We're gonna put a little of this chopped garlic in there. I like this kind because I ain't got to fool with it. Some people don't think it's as good, but I do. I love it. I put it on everything. And you know you got to have a little bit of this stuff. I put it in just about everything. It says on the package, use it anywhere you would use salt. That's basically what I do. I'll let them cook down, and then I'll add some more greens as needed. Have enough to have a big pot here. Now, Justin Wilson wouldn't use that. He said you can't digest it. I like cayenne pepper and black pepper, so do whatever how you want to. That's the way I do it. All right, I got it rolling now, so let's cook down a little bit. I can get some more in there. I'm gonna take some of these off that stem. Got a couple pieces of that old sausage left over. I'm just gonna chunk that over in there too. It won't hurt nothing. Give it a little more flavor. Pretty good. All right, y'all, I about got all that in there now, so I'm gonna add one more thing, and that's gonna do it up. Put a little bit of bacon in there. You know me, I gotta have that. That'll make it pretty good, I imagine. So I'm burning up and I done made a mess, so I'm finna get out of here. We'll see y'all next time.